Hello guys and welcome back to AppWiz. In this video, I will show you how to hide stories from specific person on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store and in the search bar type Instagram. Make sure that the app is updated to the latest version so that you don't encounter any bugs or glitches. After that, open the app and go to your profile. Once you are in your profile, tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen. Here, scroll sand, then tap on story and location. Here, choose the option hide story from. So now you can select specific people to hide your story from them. For example, we want to hide our story from this guy, so just tick the box and the stories will be hidden from him if you want him to watch your story. Just untick the box and you are good to go. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you soon in another video.